Oh! Baby!
Oh, break my nail.
She fell!
I fell!
Aww. You're gonna need a booty guard.
I think I'm used to ice skating, so like I'm not used to not having something for a fail-safe, like if my foot goes backwards, because with ice skating it's like I have a blade, you know?
Yeah.
If I go backwards, and this one's like, whoop. So I gotta put the weight,
Forward?
distribute the weight differently.
Yeah.
I can't lean backwards at all. And I need to learn how to turn. That's how I fell. I'm a little scared. Woo. I need to look up some YouTube videos so I can learn properly. It's probably a right way to do it, right?
Yeah. I feel like you're doing a pretty decent job though. Like, if it were me, I'd be hanging onto that guardrail over there for dear life.
Just lose my balance line. I feel like a baby learning how to walk. It's my daily practice. Just a little bit a day. You know. Trying to get a crease in these. It's so much easier practicing in my garage because the floor is smooth. Oh. Okay. Oh.
I knew it!
Hey!
I knew it!
What?
How did I know? You're gonna be right here.
Hey, look, I'm just as tall as you.
Oh, you are? What the heck?
I'm practicing. I looked up videos.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Isn't it so much better here?
It is. It's so hard on the thing.
We should just rub this up so you
Okay.
can just have a bigger space.
I'm practicing some exercises.
Oh, nice. Let me get my shoe.
Yeah.
Pick up, Debbie. You got a bigger space. Oh, put it right here, Lolo. That's your bed.
Thanks, Dad.
Guys.
Still have to learn how to stop properly.
Yeah. Boo boo. What are you doing? You watch Mama from there. You watch Mama.
She wants to explore.
She does.
I feel like I'm getting more comfortable turning when it's this way, but I'm still very uncomfortable this way, as you can tell. So that means practice. I'm like a little baby learning how to walk.
Yeah. Cute. Dude, these leaves are getting big.
You're a plant dad. I only know how to stop like this.
Alright, what's the proper way to stop?
You can stop. There's other way where you put your weight here and then you Having a lot of fun so far. I chose a hot day to practice, but it's okay. Practicing on this floor is so much better. I feel like I'm not constantly like yeah, I feel like watching those videos and doing those exercises helped. Now I just gotta perfect them. I need to learn how to stop.
Yeah? Whoa!
Wait, you're going too fast. Okay, hold on.
Whoa. You got it.
Oh my gosh.
You got it.
We're crossing a bridge.
Isn't this so much smoother?
It is. Oh my gosh. So much smoother.
Yeah.
The spot is better. I'm going fast. I don't know how to stop. Shoot, I don't know how to stop. Okay, wait. She said, bend my knees. Bend my knees. Stop. Stop. Oh my gosh, stop. Stop. I'm just gonna get close to the ground. It's not working. I'm rolling to a stop. I don't know how to stop. I don't know how to stop. Yeah. Feeling a little more comfortable with the moonwalk, but definitely need to practice more. right, so I'm feeling more comfortable like just skating and moving. But the spins I feel like are going to be very hard to do. And the moonwalk kind of hurts my feet. I feel like I've definitely made progress. I haven't been able to skate as much as I want, so hopefully I could change that, but I'm loving it so far. It is a workout. It's so hot here in LA, so just gotta do it when the sun comes down, but then the mosquitoes come out. I hope you enjoyed the progress. If you did, leave a like on the video, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I'll be posting more updates. And if you like my outfit, I made this one. Let me know if you want me to do a DIY on it. I made it just for skating, and I made a TikTok out of it. Okay. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.